Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to use AirDrop on your iPhone. AirDrop lets you quickly share photos, videos, links, and files wirelessly with nearby Apple devices. Before you start, make sure both devices have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth turned on, and are within about 30 feet or 9 meters of each other, and that the receiving device is awake and unlocked. To send with AirDrop, open the app that contains the item you want to share, such as photos. Select the photo you want to send, then tap the share icon. In the share sheet, tap AirDrop and select the receiver's name. Wait for the receiver to accept the transfer, and once they do, the item will be sent and will automatically open or save on their device. To receive with AirDrop, when someone sends you a photos or file, you'll see a preview with accept and decline buttons. Then tap accept to receive it. Photos you accept are saved in the Photos app, while other files will open in the appropriate app. If you don't see an incoming request, check that your AirDrop receiving settings. Just click the floating menu in your screen, tap Control Center, then check if it is set to contacts only or everyone, and make sure your iPhone is unlocked. And that's it. Now you know how to send and receive files using AirDrop on your iPhone. It's a quick, easy, and secure way to share photos, videos, and more with nearby Apple devices.